My name's Mark Pritchard. I'm the manager of the Medway Valley Countryside Partnership. We're a not-for-profit conservation organisation that's been going for over 30 years. We operate in the northwest of Kent, in the boroughs primarily of Maidstone and Tunbridge and Malling, and we do a whole wide range of conservation-based activities. This is something new for us, doing a woodland experience. We're in a beautiful bit of ancient woodland here. We're in a nice bit of hazel coppice, but what a lot of people don't realise is that these woodlands have they're not unmanaged. They have only achieved what they are at this stage in their life cycle, if you like, by people actively doing woodland crafts, woodland work. Ultimately, what we want to show is the sort of produce that would have been created from a woodland such as this back in the day. And I say back in the day, we're talking kind of almost pre-industrial times, when it would have been hand tools. It would have been making produce such as out of the ash and the willow and the hazel, and here the sweet chestnut coppice. So not only big materials like fencing materials, but small hand tools, things like mallets. We're using the bark, we're using the timber. You see some of my colleagues and associates here already preparing stuff, making a nice item that people could be able to take away with them as a souvenir of their day, but actually something of practical use to show that we don't need to make everything out of unrecyclable plastic, for instance. We can use natural materials in our everyday life. People know about Kent as the Garden of England, but they don't necessarily know about the special places within it. They don't necessarily know that it's one of the best counties for bumblebees, say, in the entire country, that we've got big populations of quite unusual wildlife and a lot of ancient woodlands still. So it's trying to capitalise on that and give that awareness to people that we've got a beautiful landscape right on your doorstep, not far from London, not far from the Channel, and come out and enjoy it. You don't just have to go to the well-known tourist hotspots. There's a lot more out there.